Hello, okay? My name is Nadia, and in this video I will tell you if the Energy Cube system really works, and if it is worth buying it. I recommend you watch this video until the end because I will give you a warning so that you do not lose your money buying this product. My tip is to buy the Energy Cube system only through the official website so as not to risk falling for scams and buying a fake product. To help you, I left the official website of the Energy Cube system here at the bottom of the description and the first comment fixed. So leave your like and let's pro video. Pay special attention because what I am about to reveal will surely be a lifesaver for you and your family. 45,909 American pioneers have already used this mind-blowing invention to heat their homes, or cooking hot meals during the long, harsh winters. This low-cost device can help you generate electricity for a 3,000 square meter home using nothing more than a few materials that may be scattered around your home right now. In just 3 minutes, you will be able to get the step-by-step instructions to set up your own power system for less than the price of your monthly electricity bill. You can do more than just cut your electricity bills by 50% or 75%. Now you have the opportunity to become independent of energy, without needing a single watt of expensive electricity that soaks your wallet. But most importantly, in case of disaster, you can face it yourself successfully. Imagine a strong storm or a bad winter hitting your city and tearing down the power grid. The only thing you can do is call the power company, and after 30 minutes of waiting for a reply, a rude-spoken lady will tell you to wait 48 hours until the power comes back, at a freezing temperature that usually reaches 22 degrees Fahrenheit during the winter. Imagine how fast the temperature inside your house will drop below zero. Would you be able to handle the situation? The Power Cube system can be mounted anywhere, anytime for anyone and anyone. What ranks it as the best device of all time? Not like solar panels that are affected by hurricanes, strong winds, or any kind of natural phenomenon. You should simply twist these two materials into the box, and not worry about weather conditions for the rest of your life. Unlike classic and outdated generators, this one does not smoke, does not make noise, and you will not have to spend hundreds of dollars on fuel. In fact, you will have to invest very little in total. With the exception of a simple maintenance check every few months, the Energy Cube system is really an investment set and forget and will generate infinite electricity for you like magic. If you want to cut the cord and get rid of the electric company, you need to watch the guide photos and video recordings to make your own Power Cube system. As I said above, the information I'm going to reveal to you is really so easy that anyone can use it, even if you've never built anything before, like me. So that anyone, no matter their age or ability, can produce their own electricity and get off the grid. Here's what you'll find in this simple, step-by-step video guide: how to make your own Energy Cube in less than 3 hours, with parts you can find at any local electronics store for less than $78. According to various studies, this is the simple sizing secret that allows you to generate as much electricity as you need and almost become energy independent. The shocking truths about the vampire charges that are piling up costs on your light bill, making you shell out more money for the electric company. In addition, the simple way to eliminate them, for an almost instant economy. A short list of all the simple parts and materials you need to make the Energy Cube generator, for about $78 in total costs. In addition, you get the complete designs, color photos, and step-by-step instructions and video guides to create your own Energy Cube system, even if you have 2 left thumbs and have never ridden anything in your whole life. Remember that we invest a lot of time and money to perfect and simplify the generator. Therefore, it is very simple to build, even if you are a beginner. With the Energy Cube system you can save up to $3,500 or more by the end of the year. The money saved you can invest to improve your home, or you can leave with your family on vacation, or you can even keep them to stay relaxed when you retire. The choices are yours. Initially I want to give for free, but I was afraid that it would be perceived as worthless. We should have loaded the product at a much higher price, but we will not do that. So I decided to make it public for only 5,000 people. Enough for all the people in my town, and a few others who are interested in changing their lives. As I have made this device available, it is no wonder that many people have tried the Energy Cube system to get many impressive results. Alan Meyer from Gainesville, Florida says, "I am happy to have had the chance to discover the Energy Cube. I am impressed with its simplicity, too little to do for so much." And Bill Sawyer from Baltimore, Maryland says, "I used to pay a huge amount of money for electricity every month. Now I have become energetically independent, and only 70 days have passed since I bought the Energy Cube system." Here's what Donald Collins, 71, from Salem, Oregon, says, "I've never built anything in my entire life, but it was so easy that I rode with my grandchildren. Now we have free electricity 24 hours a day, 7 days a week." And also Tom Ford from Texas says, "Electricity bills increased month by month. I was desperate to find a solution, At one point I wanted to make a $20,000 bank loan for a solar panel. I'm glad I didn't make that mistake. The Energy Cube system does the trick, and it cost me a little less than $100 to do it. And many, many others who save thousands of dollars every year because of electricity bills that no longer exist. Due to the Energy Cube system, I wanted to put the price at $99, but after thinking twice, I'll put it down for $47. That means less than you pay for electricity in just 1 month, although you can get your invested money back in less than 30 days. So see what the deal is. You will receive immediately all the photos, drawings, video recordings, all the step-by-step plans explained step by step, and will have access to the list of tools and supplies. Now for you who stayed until the end, I want to give you a very important warning so that you do not lose your money. My tip is to buy the Energy Cube system only through the official website so as not to risk falling for scams and buying a fake product. To help you, I left the official website of the Energy Cube system here at the bottom of the description and the first comment fixed. Well, that's it. I wish you all the best. And if you have any questions, leave a comment here below the video. Stay in peace and even more.